Welcome to my YouTube channel, Blossom Blend Fibers. My name is Kelly, and today I'm going to share with you the results of dyeing with coffee and cochineal. This was mortanted with aluminum triformate and coffee grounds, and you can see it has given a bit of a yellow cast to the comb top. And then I over dyed it with this with cochineal, and oh, it's just given this beautiful rosy, or no, corally pink color, which I just love. I'm so happy about that. And now I'll show you the next. This was dyed with, or not dyed, this was mortanted with alum and then dyed with ground coffee. You can see it's definitely more of a brownish or a tannish tinge to it. And then I over dyed it, not that one exactly, but another comb top. And this is what I got. So this one is definitely more pink compared to the other one, and I will put them all side by side, and then you'll be able to see the difference. There's the other one, and here's the other one. So there we go. There's the big happy family. So you can see how this one is definitely more yellow than this one right here. And this comb top right here is definitely more pink than this one. This one's definitely got more of a coral pink to it. So it was a very fun experiment, and I can't wait to spin these up. Let's take a step outside the greenhouse, and I'm going to show you what I've got growing in the flower beds. So over here we've got our black hollyhock growing. There it is. So yeah, and I will have sunflowers in here, marigolds, and over here growing beautifully. I can't believe, I mean, it is so warm out here. And I'll show you my next planter box. Got this one growing. And let's head over to the next one. The next one is going to be filled with Japanese indigo and amaranth. But look what I found. I found this little guy all by itself. So I did have some Japanese indigo that I buried under all this soil, and I'm really interested to see if it's actually gonna grow on its own, if it will have survived the winter. So, but yeah, I can't remember what this little guy is. Interesting. Now I'm going to show you. Let me just take the camera. I don't want to make you too seasick. Okay, over here, here's my yarrow, and here is my, I think this is camellia. So that's really growing nice. Got lots of buds on that. And of course my echinacea is dormant for the winter. And here is my hibiscus. And last year, all around my hibiscus, I had, what was it called? Coreopsis. I had all the coreopsis I could want that all had reseeded around my hibiscus. So I'm hoping this year that will be the same. And I'll show you one more thing. Here is my madder root. There is all the roots. You can see them under there, just growing. Oh, I'm so tickled. I can't wait to harvest those. I think I'm going to need one more year, but it's been 2 years. So thank you for joining me on this experiment of dyeing Blue Face Leicester comb top with ground coffee and over dyeing with Cochineal. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click that little bell, and that way you'll get to see what my next experiment's going to be. Thank you for joining. Bye-bye.